using the group control feature for air conditioners on the LG ThinQ app. If you own 2 or more LG air conditioners, you can use the group control feature on the ThinQ app. Group control allows you to control multiple air conditioners by bundling them up together. Please note that this feature may not be supported depending on your model. Before using group control, make sure the wireless router is powered on and the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to use the group control feature. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone. Tap the top left menu icon on the home screen and select Device Settings. After entering Manage Group Control, tap the top right plus sign and enter the group name you want. Select the air conditioner you want to add to the group. Tap Save, and a new group will be created. A group control card will also be added to the home screen. Tap on it, and you can check and control every single unit in the group at once. You can also select and use them one by one if you want.